A lot of engineers don't know this about picking their major, even though it impacts their entire life after graduation. No matter where you go to school, there are certain engineering fields that will severely limit the places you can live. This is a big deal for people that want to live near their family or mountains, or people who hate extremely hot summers. Let's start with chemical engineers and petroleum engineers. They tend to make great money working in industries that rely on barge access, which in the US is the Gulf Coast, including Texas, Louisiana, and Alabama, or the West Coast in California. Or they need proximity to oil deposits, like in Ohio. These manufacturing and drilling sites are always distant from big cities. Many associated fields, including mechanical, electrical, materials, mechatronics, and environmental engineers, have job opportunities in either support roles at these same manufacturing sites or in contracting and design firms. While those few regions are where many of the highest paying opportunities are located, mechanical and electrical are more versatile and can find work all over the place. Even more geographically limiting is nuclear engineering. They have 54 power plants in the U.S. operating in 28 states, as well as naval vessels, national research labs, and defense firms where they can work. Many of those are concentrated in regions such as New Mexico, Idaho, Tennessee, Virginia, South Carolina, and Washington. Aerospace engineers have opportunities concentrated where there is space and defense industry, which in the U.S. is primarily California, Washington, Virginia, Florida, Texas, D.C., and Alabama. Although with the space industry rapidly expanding, more remote work is becoming common. Speaking of remote work, if you want the most geographically permissive engineering fields right now, in addition to mechanical and electrical, these are software and computer engineering, where work from home is becoming the norm for many established and emerging companies. Fields including civil, industrial, biomedical, and wireless and telecommunications, or electronics engineering, have some of the best geographic freedom because so many of their opportunities take place at facilities needed worldwide, including hospitals, airports, stadiums, and parks. Follow for more tips you didn't know you needed about engineering.